Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom. I'm a Pinterest and lead generation strategist. I work with purpose-driven female entrepreneurs to help them get more leads and sales into their business. And today I want to talk about what you need to succeed in your business. So I was actually just being interviewed to be a part of the Copy Chat with Marisa Corcoran, I believe is her last name. You should check her out. I'll see if I can find her and put her in the description. But one of the things that she asked me was like, what are some common mistakes that people are making when it comes to Pinterest? And we were talking about like the Pinterest image and all this good stuff. And I was sharing with her, one of the biggest mistakes that I see is that people wait too long and they try to make everything perfect before they actually take action. And so she was asking me about like Pinterest images, and do you have to be like a graphic designer? Do you have to be like perfect when it comes to graphics and all this stuff? Sorry, this is bugging me. And I was like, heck to the no. I'm the furthest thing possible from a graphic designer. Like, I'm not a creative person. I never was good at like artwork or anything like that. Trust. I told her how I just use Canva, the Pinterest template, click on it. But before there was Canva, because I got started on Pinterest before there was Canva, I don't even know what I used, maybe PicMonkey to create images. And I just said, like, if you go back and look at when I first started, you would see that all my images were exactly the opposite of what I teach what you should do. Like, they were a hot mess. And so what I told her is, what you need to do if you want to have success in your business is give yourself permission to suck. And that's it. Like, you're not going to be perfect when you just start out. And so I said, like, when you see what I used to do back in the day, like, it was awful, but I did it and I took action. When you see anyone who is quote unquote successful right now, someone who you aspire to be, look back to when they started, and I guarantee you nothing that they did was perfect or put together or polished. They just took freaking messy action. They got her done, and then they got better over time. So my message to you today, if you want to be successful, is start, take messy action, and give yourself permission to be a beginner. Give yourself permission to suck, and just learn from your mistakes. And it's when you do that that you're going to get to see success so much faster. You're going to get so much further faster. So super quick little tip for you today. I hope you're having an amazing Thursday, and I do have a free cheat sheet for you. Put it in the description. Just go to rachelngom.com/blog freebie, and I will talk to you later.